Hi, my name is Nehal, and in second session today we have created a game. The name of the game is BeetleAppleGame. For this game we are having the sprite over here as Beetle. Instead of Toby we have taken the Beetle sprite, and we have taken a backdrop from here as a maze. And in this backdrop you can see that there is an apple over here. Now the game problem that we have decided is this beetle will make it move till it reaches to the apple. So if while moving, if it touches the black line, then it will come back to its original position. And if the beetle touches the apple, then in that case you won the game. That is what the problem line. Now while setting up everything for the program for the game, we have set the direction front facing, that is 0 direction here. The size we have done it 60, this beetle size instead of 100, so that it can move properly in this particular path. And we have taken the position is marked as x coordinate and y coordinate. Now in the coding you can see that first we'll take the sprite beetle and we'll take the coordinates, the starting position coordinates, and we have taken a while loop. In the while loop, when it is true, then whenever we press the up arrow key, it will move every time 5 steps in the 0 direction, that is front. Then when we press the down arrow key, it will just go in the 180 direction and move the 5 steps. Then left minus 90 direction, and in the right arrow it is 90 degree. So this is how the movement of the beetle we have decided. After that, what we have done, that if it touches the black line, then it should come back to its original position. So this particular coding we have done as is touching color 000. Now 000 indicates a black color. So we have done with the, when it touches the black color, it will come back to its original position, and when it touches the red color, the coding for the red color number is 25500. So in that case sprite will say that you won, and this it is saying it for 5 seconds. Lastly we have to break the loop, so it is break. Okay, so I'll execute it now. I'll click on the run. Now I will use the arrow keys to move this beetle like this. So the beetle is moving up when I am pressing the up arrow. Now I am pressing the left arrow and the beetle is moving left. Now again I am pressing the up arrow, the beetle is moving up, and after that if I press this and it touches black and it comes back at its original position. Now second time I'll show you that it is going straight again, up arrow, then again left arrow, then up arrow again. Every time it is taking the movement of 5 steps, and now it is coming back. So this way it is working. So I don't have a patience now to play, so I'm just taking it and touching it to the red color. As soon as it touches the red color, it is saying you won the game. That is for the 5 seconds. That's all.